Okay, so in today's video, this is a part 2 from the last video, why I don't flip Office PCs and the ones from Dell, HP, and Lenovo. And today we're joined with my editor, Matthew, who's also a fellow PC flipper. And currently, as I said before in that video, this is his big mistake. Please explain your big mistake.
I bought a shit OEM PC.
Yep, he bought a shit OEM PC. And this is a HP SFF 800 thing. And he flipped another Office PC, but it was a PB Tech OEM one. I'll put a picture of it on the screen right now. And that one uses standard gigabyte parts, like the ones you see, like the i5 4590. But this shit is not really standard and really proprietary. But in today's video, we're gonna try to disassemble it. We're gonna do a teardown of this PC to see if we can make it into a really good gaming PC. Anyways, let's get started. Catch. Oh shit. Okay, so let's actually crack this HP open. Okay, wow, this is not sexy at all. What is this shit, bro? This is like... Oh, fuck, bro. This looks... What the fuck is this, bro? What the fuck? Did I just break... I fucking break it. Oh. Okay, that's a broken. Let's fucking talk about what the fuck's wrong with this shit. Like, what do you think is wrong? Come on.
Green.
Yeah, first of all, it's green. That's number one. Proprietary connectors. We tell them we got fucking 10 minutes to film this video.
Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me, huh?
Okay, so pretty much, as you see here, is the exact same shit HP PC you saw in the last video. Pretty much, I have a general rough plan in my head onto what to do and how to flip this thing. It's not the best plan, not the worst plan, but heck, let's try and do it. So due to the HP's proprietary parts, we'll be using its original power supply with a GTX 1050 Ti, which does not need external PCIe power. We'll also be hacking and modding this CPU cooler back on, so pretty much to make a pre-built, like an HP Dell OEM, to work in a gaming PC and to work in a new case, is to use as much components from it so that we can minimize compatibility issues. But anyways, let's start. Due to HP's really shit decision and really annoying decision to put the standoffs for the CPU cooler on the actual case itself, which let's just say I'm not fucking cutting or bothered to cut. power supply out of the case What the fuck is this? I'm not kidding, this thing has literally 3 wires. There's a 4-pin for the CPU, some proprietary whatever this is, and probably another proprietary 3-pin power adapter. Fuck, this is not gonna work. The issue of this is that the case, how's this case wire going to work? I have no clue. One thing I might actually try to do is using a normal standard power supply and trying to see if the 6 pins on this is a standard 6 pin. So then we can just use standard power supplies with just some really jankily made Joseph Zhang soldered adapters. Hopefully we won't have to go that far. Okay, so for the CPU, we will be using bolts to bolt this thing back onto the back of this thing. I will definitely have to find a thread that will actually fit in these holes. Frankly, I could make my own mounting hardware, but I think bolts is the best solution. Okay, so this is a new day. Still have my shit HP PC. One issue I definitely discovered is that I don't know how Tech City did this. Frankly, I do no clue. Look how short these cables are for the power supply. It's literally this short. How big is the case? This big? This power supply can't work. Another thing is, guess what? Okay, so it uses a standard CPU connector, 4 pins, which is standard. But then you look over here, and this is a custom 6-pin adapter. Okay, maybe I probably have to measure out the output of this thing, see if it's a real 6-pin. And then we see, what the fuck is this thing? There's another adapter like this. What is this? This is some custom USB. I have no clue. Anyways, that's the problem. So pretty much my friend Matthew is kind of fucked. And as I said in the last video, that's why I don't flip Office PCs. Do you know why this won't work? Because the motherboard, you know how this power supply turns on? Yeah. This standard power supply. There's a pins in here which our standard motherboard powers the power supply to turn on. This thing does not have that, so you cannot use it. No, it won't work. Guaranteed. That's the CPU. Okay, so Matthew, you gotta understand. How do you think this power supply turns on? These 2 pins right here. These 2 pins. You pretty much jam a needle in there, right? You jam a needle in there. The thing is that your power button wouldn't work. Your computer power button would not work. Okay?
But you could work from it.
What? No, you can't.
Oh, so nothing will work?
Nothing will work. You know why? Because the only way for the power button to work if these 2 pins are together. Pretty much what your power button does is it shorts out these 2 pins. Here, man. Give me something. Here it is.
It's called the...
What was that?
Okay, unplug.
What was that?
Unplug everything. Unplug from the wall.
No, I'm just kidding.
What the fuck?
I found it.
Okay, that's one power supply down the drain.
What happened to the power supply?
That's funny, it's all on camera, boys. Let's watch it. Okay, boys, we just blew up a power supply in front of my freaking face. Anyways, so what have you discovered? They're not the same pins. I wouldn't recommend plugging this in or blow up.
I wouldn't.
If something goes short out, you're not doing the egg carton method.
Oh, where's the egg gun?
No,
You put it. Yeah.
Okay, so pretty much this fucking HP shit is gonna be, what do you call it?
Egg cut in 2.
Cut in 2.
That's my name for it.
It's fucking built on an egg carton, as you see over here. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found this video really interesting. And pretty much, I'm just making my friends' mistake into free content. Anyways,
Hey, you're the mistake here.
Shit.
Yeah, you're the fucking mistake here. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, do not buy office PCs. Right, Matthew?
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Oh, fuck you, bro.
Oh.
You fucking already. Oh my. Anyways.